All right, let's talk about a tool that people are absolutely raving about, one that promises to organize, well, your entire digital life, and that's Notion. So today, we're going to do a straightforward, step-by-step guide to get you started.
So, does this sound familiar? Your digital life feels just scattered, right? You've got your notes in one app, your to-do lists in another, and then your big project plans are hiding somewhere else entirely. It's that feeling of digital clutter, where it feels like you're spending more time just looking for stuff than actually getting things done. It's a super common frustration, but believe me, there is a solution.
And here it is. Notion is really designed to be the elegant answer to all that chaos. It's an all-in-one workspace. Seriously, think of it as this single, unified hub where you can take notes, manage really complex projects, and build your own systems from the ground up, whether you're just working by yourself or with a whole team. So, the big question, how do you get started building this amazing all-in-one workspace? Well, it's actually way simpler than you might think. Let's just walk through those first few practical steps together.
Okay, first things first, you're just going to head over to notion.so and sign up for a free account. Super easy. Then, you'll want to download the app for your computer or your phone, or both. Once you're in, just take a second, look around. You'll see the sidebar on the left and your very first blank page. It's basically a clean slate, totally ready for you to start building.
Now, to really get Notion, to understand what makes it tick, you've got to grasp one single fundamental concept. This is the big idea that makes the entire platform so incredibly flexible and powerful.
In Notion, everything, and I mean everything, is what's called a block. And this is the perfect metaphor. Think of them as digital Legos. A single line of text, that's a block. A checklist item, a block. An image, a heading, a video you embed from YouTube, they're all individual blocks that you can stack, move around, and combine in any way you can possibly imagine.
And making these blocks is incredibly intuitive. On any new line, you just type the / key. That's it. This little menu pops up with every single type of block you could ever need. You just pick one, and then you can literally grab it and drag and drop it anywhere you want on the page. This is how you build your own custom layouts visually. It's so cool.
Okay, so once you've gotten the hang of individual blocks, the next step is to kind of zoom out and think about organizing your entire workspace. This is how you go from playing with single Legos to building a fully structured castle.
So you always start with a blank page. Now, if that page starts getting a little too crowded, no problem. You can create subpages inside of it to keep everything neat and tidy. You can also give each page its own unique icon and a cover image to make it really easy to spot. And here's a pro tip. If you've got a bunch of related pages, you can tuck them away inside something called a toggle, which keeps your main view super clean.
All right, we've covered the basics, pages and blocks. But now we get to what a lot of people consider Notion's secret weapon. This is the feature that truly sets it apart from everything else. We're talking about databases.
And this table right here perfectly shows their power. Get this, you can create one single database, let's say it's a list of all your projects, and then you can view that exact same information in all these different ways. You can see it as a classic table, then with one click switch it to a Kanban board to see your workflow, or pop it onto a calendar to see your deadlines, or even view it as a visual gallery. It's one set of data with endless ways to look at it. It's a total game changer.
So now that you've got the core components down, let's talk about a few power-ups. These are some awesome tips and tricks that will help you work faster and a whole lot more efficiently right from day one.
First off, please do not start from a blank page if you don't have to. Notion has this huge library of pre-made templates for pretty much everything. Meeting notes, content calendars, you name it. Second, you have got to get the web clipper for your browser. It lets you save any article or website directly into your Notion with a single click. And finally, start learning a few keyboard shortcuts. Just type Command or Control plus the / key, and you'll see a full list. It'll save you so much time.
And it's really important to remember that Notion isn't just for you. While it is perfect for building your own personal wiki or knowledge base, as you can see on the left, it also scales up beautifully for teams, which you see on the right. You can invite all your collaborators, you can assign tasks, you can use @mentions to get someone's attention, all inside the same workspace. You know, if there's just one piece of advice you take away from all this, let it be this right here. Don't try to build your perfect, all-encompassing life operating system on day one. It can feel really intimidating. Instead, just start small. Make a simple to-do list or a page for your meeting notes. Just begin.
And that's the real key here. Notion is a tool that grows with you.
The more you use it, the more little tricks you'll discover, and the more it's going to adapt to exactly what you need. Trust me, your workspace a year from now is going to look nothing like it does today. And that's exactly the point.
So there you have it. You now have all the fundamental building blocks to get started. You understand pages, you get blocks, and you know the incredible power of databases. So the only question left is, what are you going to build first?